Hello for the fourth time tonight, and I really want to show you this is another camera I'm using. It's a mobile phone because I cannot capture it on HDMI. So this is my new monitor Samsung, which I recommend. It has a very nice feature which is a picture in picture, so called. So I can display two inputs on one screen. At the moment we can see MB03 input and Commodore 64 input. They are next to each other. And I just want to show you how Sarah, the FTP client for ZX Spectrum, how Sarah will connect to Commodore. So let's start with a Commodore. Okay, it's right here. So I have to just enter. Yeah. You see there is an IP address which I need to enter into the ZX Spectrum. Okay, there's an error because the default server is not running. So let's enter the server from Commodore 64. This is the C64 fitted with Ultimate-64 card, which had some support for internet connection. So let's copy this IP address over here to ZX Spectrum. You see the Commodore is sending me some hello message. Ultimate-II FTP. Oh. And we're in, right, perfect. You see, we are on a C64 USB card. Oh, it's a mess. The room is a really mess. This is the USB flash, and the USB flash can be seen and accessed from ZX Spectrum. You see. Let's try on C64. I haven't worked long. This one, I believe. Yeah. Demo cartridges, Sid Wizard, Hedgehog. Let's see if we get the same screen on ZX Spectrum. Oh yes, demo cartridges, Sid Wizard, Sonic Hedgehog, Cabal, Apollo. Let's see if I can download something. Let's download the Apollo info. Let's see that it's not here. Oh wait, it's here. Apollo info I have downloaded. No, sorry. Yeah. Of course it's here. I try to upload something. If it works, like this one, IP 104. Let's try to download it on C64. Okay. IP 104. Will it work? Oh yeah, it's uploading, come on. Yeah. So now I uploaded a file from ZX Spectrum to C64. Let's see if it's there. Oh, what's this? What's that? Oh, how can I? Sorry, I have to go from the start. Okay. Oh, I I might have corrupted it. Oh, come on. That was not a good idea. Okay, so, but we checked it. We tried it out and we connected with Sarah to the C64, and let me now repair the C64. Thanks for watching.